Today I've got a short post-travel Qigong routine for you. We'll start off by gently turning from our hips and our waist, allowing our arms to gently knock across our body. Gently bringing movement into our back, along our spine after traveling. Taking deep breaths. And then we can start looking to the back of the room, increasing our range of motion. Loosening up everything. And then we'll come back without looking to the back of the room, allowing ourselves to gently unravel, coming back to stillness. Next we'll do dragon stretches its tail. We'll look at our hands and then we'll stretch our hands looking the other way. And this is wonderful for the neck, for the shoulders, the upper back, because that can get a bit tight when we travel. Again, looking at our hands and then extending our hands out, looking the other way. We'll repeat that a few more times. We'll do one more on this side. And then we'll change to the other side. So again, bringing our hands up, we're looking at our hands, stretching them out, looking the other way. Again, looking at our hands, and then going the opposite way. And we'll repeat that a few more times. Again, stretching out that area. Releasing any tension in the neck and the shoulder. And we'll do one last one, again looking at our hands, stretching out our hands and looking the other way. And release. And then we'll finish off with tree sways in the wind. So bringing our hands round in front of us. And then we'll turn to one side, our hands float up, and we'll come back to center, hands come back down, going the other way. Again, turning, hands float up, coming back to the center, and hands return back to where we started. Turning, breathing in as the hands float up, coming back to center, and exhale. Turn, breathing in, hands float up, coming back to center, hands float back down. And we'll do a few more in our own time. And we'll do one more each way. And release. Please let me know how you like this routine and if it helped you after your travels. As always, feel free to like this video and share with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Bye.